Well, I wanted to show you just how sturdy this lock is. I'm going to use this key, and you don't only get 3 keys, you get 4 keys. I have no idea. They give you so many, you can probably hide it in 3 different places and still have an extra key to take with you. Basically, you insert it like this, you give it a half turn, comes right out, very easy. Turn it again, and it's locked. I was also thinking it wouldn't be a bad idea to add a strong chain in addition to this, so I can use the U-lock to cover a greater coverage over my entire scooter. But overall, it's a great product.
You have this mounting bracket, which is pretty cool. You just slide that off. Slide it on when you want to remount it back, so this goes on the bike. The lock itself. Magic. Very easy. It's cool, I like it.
When I come back, it's going to be here.
There are 4 keys to this lock. Once the key is in, it separates, and then it locks easily after that.